Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Binance app on iPhone. So if you're new to crypto, Binance is one of the largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges used by millions of people globally to buy, sell and trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum and many others. In this video I'll show you how to download and install the Binance app on your iPhone step by step in just a couple of minutes. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. On the screen we can see App Store, click onto that and make sure your internet connection is stable and you're logged into your Apple ID, and tap on this tab on your search bar again and type down Binance, and in the bottom right we can see there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon and over here you need to look for the official app called Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto, and always confirm the developer is Binance to avoid fake or scam apps. And over here we can see Binance, select that and you need to tap the get or download button if that's up here. Here we can see the get icon, select the get, and you need to verify using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password, so simply double click to install it. And you need to wait a few seconds while the app downloads and installs, and once installed you can now log in if you already have an account, or you need to sign up to create a new Binance account using your email or your phone number, and you need to simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. And that is it. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have any problem downloading or installing Binance app, simply comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.